Transform your website visitors into loyal subscribers with this game-changing Beehiiv integration tutorial. First, log into your Beehiiv account and head over to your dashboard. Look for the Publish section in the left-hand menu, and then click on Forms. This is where we'll generate the magic code for your website. Now, let's create a new sign-up form. Give it a descriptive name, like Website Newsletter Sign-up. You can customize the fields to include just an email address for simplicity, or add more if you wish. Adjust the button text to make it clear what action your visitors will take. Once your form is set up, Beehiiv gives you a couple of great options. We're going to focus on the Embed Form feature. Click on Get Code to reveal the snippet that will bring your form to life on your website. Here, you'll find a block of code. Don't worry if it looks complex. You just need to copy it. Click the convenient Copy Code button to save it to your clipboard. Now, let's go to your website's back. In this part will vary slightly depending on your website platform. Whether it's WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, or a custom-built site, you'll need to find the area where you can edit your page and add custom HTML or insert a code block. Navigate to the specific page or section on your website where you want your sign-up form to appear. Paste the Beehiiv code you copied into the designated HTML or code editor area. Think about where it will be most visible, perhaps in a sidebar, at the end of a blog post, or in a dedicated sign-up section. Save your changes and then preview your website. Voila! Your Beehiiv sign-up form should now be seamlessly integrated, looking clean and professional. Test it yourself by entering an email address and submitting. You should see a confirmation or be redirected to your thank you page, and that subscriber will immediately appear in your Beehiiv account. By following these simple steps, you're now equipped to capture more leads and effectively grow your subscriber list. Happy publishing!